Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to share with you how I achieved this look. So for this look, I got inspired by a picture that Anna from Dose of Colors posted on her Instagram and also on Dose of Colors page. I just changed a little bit the lips. It looks a little bit more matte than glossy, but other than that, I tried to recreate exactly this eye look. I recently received the new Dose of Colors Block Party eyeshadows. It's a lot of eyeshadows and they are very kind of like party eyeshadow, so very like metallic, pigmented, but there is this art of gold that really catch my eyes when I opened the package, which is this one right here, and when I saw the pictures. So I was like, I definitely need to recreate this look because it's gorgeous, it's so beautiful. This look is perfect for summertime, for daytime, nighttime, summer festival, summer nights, whatever you want. It's so pretty. I love it. This eyeshadow is so, as you can see, this eyeshadow is very pigmented. I'm gonna put the camera a little bit closer so you can actually see it. Like, you also like the fact that the eyeshadow kind of like fade a little bit in the creasing part. Usually I don't like when that happens, but this eyeshadow is so pretty and so nice that it kind of fades in a nice way. I don't know how to explain that, but anyway, if you're interested in knowing how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. One tip that I want to give you is to spray a little bit of MAC Prep and Prime on your brush before you apply any kind of metallic eyeshadow, because you want that the eyeshadow really stand out. So this is a nice trick. And if you don't have Prep and Prime, just use water. Okay, it's not gonna be as effective, but it's better than nothing. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next time with another video. Ciao!